Imagine you're in a bus, comfortably seated and enjoying the ride when suddenly the driver hits the brakes. You lurch forward, your heart skips a beat, and you scramble to regain your balance. Ever wondered why this happens? Well, today, we're unraveling the mystery behind this everyday phenomenon. Picture this. You're at a park enjoying a leisurely swing on a sunny afternoon. You're in motion, back and forth, back and forth. Now what happens if someone were to suddenly stop your swing? You'd jolt forward, right? The same principle applies when you're in a moving vehicle. It's all about inertia. Inertia is a property of matter by which it continues in its existing state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line, unless that state is changed by an external force. In layman's terms, it's the laziness of an object to change its state of motion. When you're in a moving bus, you and the bus are moving together at the same speed. Your body, being the lazy object that it is, wants to keep moving at that same speed. So when the bus suddenly stops, your body, due to inertia, wants to continue moving forward. This is why you lurch forward. The same concept applies to when the bus starts moving from a stationary state. Your body, comfortable in its state of rest, doesn't want to move. So when the bus starts moving, you feel a pull backwards. This is the same principle that seatbelts in cars work on. When a car stops suddenly, the seatbelt applies a force on you to change your state of motion, thus keeping you in your seat and preventing you from lurching forward. So the next time you're in a bus and the driver hits the brakes, remember it's not the driver's erratic driving, but your body's inherent laziness or inertia at play. Now here's a thought to ponder over. If inertia is a property of all matter, how does it affect your daily life beyond the sudden jerks in a bus or car?